Hi, my name is Amanda Risen. I'd like to walk you through math tutorial and getting signed in on Discovery Ed. Once you're logged in to Discovery Education, click on the Math Techbook on the left bar. Choose the course that you're interested in. Then from there, you may select content. You have three ways to look at that: overview, table of contents, or by standard, whichever you prefer. Let's click on a concept. Under that concept, you will see the Discover, Practice, and Apply tabs that the students will be able to see, and then you have the model lesson that's offered for you to explore. Let's look at your toolbar. On the right-hand side, you'll see this bar. The first one is where you can add things to your quick list or save it more permanently to your My Content. This is for ease of access to look at things that as you're exploring for topics and content, you can save those to come back to later. You can assign under this tab. The next option is your share. If your students have access to log in on Discovery Ed, you can share materials through these different sites to them to be able to get to if they were at home. Your print option would be for those students who have to work offline and they wouldn't have internet access. You'd be able to print certain concepts, pages, or tabs. Your language display would be for both English and Spanish. The dashboard is going to take you to that data that your students, once they've had something assigned to them, you can go through and look at the different color codings. You can hide their names for group discussions in the classroom, or you can actually select that where they will display the names, and you could have that for your own records. The glossary, this is actually going to be the key terms that are listed in that concept, and they'll actually be by definition, animation, and by video. Your math tools, this is available to the students while they're working through products and concepts in the math textbook. They will have these items available to them as necessary when they need that. Your den, this actually takes you so that you can actually look through and discuss with the math textbook community group and go through and put any questions, read any suggestions that anybody had, any good ideas that worked for them. It's a great way to network. Last, we have the teacher presentation mode. You can turn that off or on. And again, that's for you to be able to display information and have your teacher's notes. Okay, so let's build an assessment. If I were to go to the left tab, your builder tools, click on that. You'll see your assessment builder. You have three different ways. The bottom two, the standards and the concepts assessment, that's where you're looking at a question bank that the questions are already provided for you, and you click and choose the ones you'd like. If you want to go to a practice assessment, that actually gives you the options to have both the question bank as well as you can add any questions of your own that you'd like. If you have any further questions, Discovery has, at the last tab, is your professional learning tab. Once you click on that, you can find any resource under your Lead and Learn videos and strategies. Hope that helps.